challenge on their lifetime, and it's nothing to be ashamed of. We all encounter situations that either make us uncomfortable or upset, and lying provides heaven. Of course, if you feel the need to lie about absolutely everything, you may have to assess the manner in which you make decisions and change your approach. Constant lying is troublesome. So, the big question is, who are the bigger liars, men or women? According to recent studies, men are proven to be the bigger liars. When man lies, they are boastful. They lie to look bigger, taller, richer, or more sexually attractive and powerful. In face-to-face conversation and in personal ads, men tend to inflate numbers by saying they make more money than they actually do, are taller than they actually are, and have had more sexual partners than is factual. In the workplace, men tend to tell more self-centered lies. They lie about their accomplishments, salaries, and status in an attempt to appear more powerful or interesting than they actually are. Researchers at the Stockholm School of Economics found that men are significantly more likely than women to lie to secure a monetary benefit. Men lie and feel less guilty about it than women do, according to a British study. In this study, about 3,000 persons ages 18 and older took the survey. Results found that a British man tells an average of 3 lies daily, or roughly 1,092 a year, and women on the other hand lie about twice a day, which adds up to 728 lies a year. 25% of men admit they've lied to their mothers, while 20% of women admit the same. Argumentatively, women are better liars than men. In contrast to men, women tend to use lies to minimize. They pretend they are younger, way less, and have had fewer sexual partners. Women also tell self-centered lies in the workplace, but they tell more other-oriented lies. In author Color Kinsey's Guzman's interviews with working women, she found that female managers frequently reported lying to protect someone's feelings. Author Susan Shapiro argues that lying is a way of life for women. A man lies as a quick fix, while a woman carefully guards her secrets to create opportunities to keep friends and preserve family harmony. For the majority of women, the hard work of the lie is the payoff, as long as we pretend to be good girls, cleverly covering our tracks, she writes. Women are also more likely to fake positive feelings, which is one reason that women smile more than men. While smiling can be a powerful and positive non-verbal cue, women should be aware that when excessive or inappropriate smiling could also be confusing and deceptive. This is especially true if you smile while discussing a serious subject, expressing anger, or giving negative feedback. A man named Michael Forbes wrote an article about the sneakiness of men and women, and in it he gives credit to a private investigator named Julia Harley Moore. Moore investigates the subject of affairs between couples and believes that women are sneakier with affairs than men are. Women are way craftier than men when it comes to having affairs. They are far more manipulative, cunning, and calculated, she said. They make sure they cover their bases, whereas guys don't. That's why guys get caught. Just as many women have affairs as men do. That's a fact, but women are far more intuitive, and they use that intuition. But men don't use their intuition. They don't think anyone is going to follow them. They don't think their partner is going to check anything. They just don't think. They are also terrible at deleting incriminating evidence from their phones when they're sneaking around, claims Moore. To sum things up, men are bigger liars than women, though sometimes it depends on the lie and its destructive effects. Women use their intuition and craftiness to get away with shady behavior. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you find it useful, don't forget to share it and make sure to subscribe to see more video in the future. Thanks for watching and see you soon.